Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of ICAR Research Complex NEH region. I am your host Ayush and today we are going to explore a very important topic in sustainable agriculture, that is balanced fertilization, which helps in crop growth sustainability and protecting our soil health. To explore the topic, we have with us an expert who will guide us through the topic, Dr. T. Ramesh sir, Principal Scientist, Soil Science and Head of the Division, System Research and Engineering at ICAR Research Complex NEH region, Umiam, Meghalaya. We welcome you to the podcast. So, sir, let us start from the very basic concepts. So, how would you describe the basic concepts of balanced fertilizers for our farmers?
Yeah, the concept basically includes application of all the essential nutrients at the right source, right time, right method, and right dose. Okay. And another thing is a single nutrients, if it is deficient, so it will definitely affect the availability of other nutrient as well as the it affects the maximum crop productivity. So also it is based on the soil testing, then plus crop requirement, plus crop growing stages. So also it includes the concept that nutrients are independent of each other, which basically means that excess or deficiency of a particular nutrients, it affects the availability of other nutrients. The main focus of this concept is to prevent the scenarios like poor crop productivity, then soil degradation and environmental pollution, and it enhances the nutrient use efficiency for optimum crop yield.
So, sir, this was the information about the balanced fertilization. Now, moving to our next question, what are the problems which are associated with the imbalanced fertilization?
Yes, in the broader sense, it has a trilateral impact, harming the farming, harming the crop, and harming the environment at the same time. Okay, so if we use excess nitrogen, so luxurious vegetative growth will be there, it causes the lodging. So if phosphorus deficiency is there, it affects the root growth and also supply of energy to different functions. So potassium deficiency, it also causes pest and disease attack. Okay, so these northeastern soils, because more than 80% is acidic, aluminum and iron toxicity will be high. On the other hand, boron and molybdenum will be deficient. Okay, so with concern to the farmers, it harms the crop yield and also extremely affect their soil biological health. For the environment, because of high use of fertilizers, it causes leaching and eutrophication, and also it pollutes the groundwater. Finally, it makes a bad cost to the soil, crop and environment.
Yes, it's very precise and well explained, sir. Now we came to know that every element has its deficiency as well as toxicity symptoms. Now, sir, moving to the next question, can you please explain the importance of balanced fertilization for our farmers?
Yes, there are several importance or advantages of balanced fertilization. First one is it ensures a high yield and better crop quality. Then it maintains the soil fertility and crop productivity. It improves the fertilizer use efficiency. It reduces the farmer's input cost in long term. And also it reduces the leaching of nutrients. And also it is very much essential for preventing environmental damage and increasing sustainable agriculture system.
That really imparts its significance, sir. Now moving to the next question. So what are the principles on which the balanced fertilization works?
Yeah, it basically includes a 4RS concept. that is right source, right dose, right time, and right method of application of fertilizers. And also we have to apply the NPK fertilizers at a right proportion. So the recommended NPK proportion is 4:2:1. But in India, farmers they are applying the fertilizers, NPK fertilizer in the ratio of 7:3:1. Okay, by integrating inorganic fertilizers with biofertilizers and organic manures, we can adopt, means farmers can adopt the balanced fertilization.
Okay, so the principle includes 4R principle and the integrated approach.
Yes.
Now moving to the next question, sir, can you please explain the components of balanced fertilization?
Yeah, there are three main components of balanced fertilization. First one is inorganic fertilizers like urea, DAP, MOP. Second component is organic manures like farm-made manure, compost, vermicompost, etc. And the third component is biofertilizers like Rhizobium, Azospirillum, Acetobacter, phosphorus solubilizing bacteria, zinc solubilizing bacteria, VAM, that is mycorrhiza. So these are some of the biofertilizers.
Yes. Sir, you just mentioned organic manures. So what are the importance of organic manures in maintaining the soil health?
Yeah, the first thing is organic matter. There are two types. One is bulky organic manures, and one is second is the concentrated organic manures. The bulky organic manures includes farm-made manure, compost, vermicompost, etc. In the concentrated organic manures like oil cakes, bone meal, fish meal, blood meal, etc. Okay, these organic manures containing low value of or very low concentration of nutrients, but they slowly release the nutrients. Then it improves the water holding capacity, it improves the aeration, it improves the soil structure and aggregation that leads to reduced runoff and erosion. Then it provides the nutrients, and also it maintains the soil biological health. It buffers the soil pH. It increases the soil cation exchange capacity. There are many functions of organic manures.
Yes, sir. Sir, the concept of biofertilizers are getting huge attention. So can you please explain what is biofertilizers and what are their importance in soil health management?
Yeah, biofertilizers are the living microorganisms, so that improves the soil fertility as well as crop productivity in a sustainable way. So we can integrate biofertilizers with integrated nutrient management, means with organic manures as well as chemical fertilizers. There are several types of fertilizers are there. One is nitrogen fixing biofertilizers like Rhizobium, Acetobacter, Azospirillum, etc. Then phosphorus solubilizing bacteria, potassium solubilizing bacteria, then mycorrhiza that increase the nutrient absorption and water absorption, then blue-green algae. These are some of the types of biofertilizers. So there are several methods by which we can apply biofertilizers. One is soil application. Second is the seed treatment we can. Third is the seedling root dipping. Fourth, we can spray, foliar spray we can do it, but it is very less common. And also we can apply through irrigation, particularly in drip irrigation we can. So these are some of the major functions of biofertilizers, because nitrogen fixation through biological nitrogen fixation. Okay, so there are several importance of biofertilizers.
Okay, sir.
And also it decrease the chemical fertilizer dependency and help the soil gaining the fertility.
Sir, moving to our segment, can you please explain us the sustainable strategies for using balanced fertilizers?
Yeah, some key strategies include most important is conducting trainings and awareness programs on balanced fertilization. So frequent soil testing is very much important. Then following the recommended dose of NPK fertilizers. So using split application of fertilizers, and also practicing site specific nutrient management practice, use of nano fertilizers, subsidy reforms for encouraging the balanced use of NPK fertilizers. These are some of the key strategies for balanced fertilization.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insight with our viewers. It is clear that balanced use of nutrients is key to better crop production, healthy soil and safe environment. By following the right practices, farmer can reduce cost and improve long-term productivity. So let us adopt balanced fertilizers for sustainable agriculture. Thank you for listening us. Till we meet again, keep following us for better cultivation practices. Namaskar.
Namaskar.